Birds flying. I had to do it again. Totally joking, by the way, but I just thought it was funny. Birds flying high, you know how I feel? It's the remix. It's the... What?
I don't know what you're talking about.
The song.
I don't know the song.
What? How do you know the song? Gary sang it to Ellen.
Oh.
Durr.
Sorry, it sounded better when you sang it.
I should have bought insurance for my camera, that way I can throw it at your face.
You know, baby, that I need insurance with everything with me around.
Let me guess. Salsa.
No. Egg salad sandwich.
I smell cheese.
Well, there's a piece of cheese.
It smells like more.
What?
Yes! Buffalo's beating Philadelphia.
Watch out for the cat.
I saw her.
You like stepped on her.
No, I didn't.
She ran away.
Because I was prancing.
Jesus, that isn't all you bought.
They were buy one, get one free. They were buy one, get one free. I had to take advantage. Go Buffalo! Better yet, lose Philadelphia. Oh noes. St. Maid Miller, baby.